Let me disappoint you guys kidogo tu. We've been conditioned by the market to believe that the higher the number of megapixels on a smartphone camera, the better the photos are. Lately, we've been seeing even budget smartphones come with 108 to 200 megapixel on the camera. But here's the technical truth. Smartphone photography and videography is a game of light and not numbers. For this video, I'm going to be using the Redmi Note 15 Pro because it comes with 200 megapixels on the rear camera as an example. Let's think of these pixels as buckets that we are using to catch rainwater. If I have 200 million buckets to catch water on an area of 10 by 10 meters, then this is going to be a lot of work. But if I only have 5 buckets to catch water in the same area, it's going to be easy, it's going to be fast, and I will even catch more water. This is how pixels work on a camera. The Redmi Note 15 Pro crams the 200 million pixels into a small space, making them only 0.56 wide. Each of these 200 million pixels can barely catch any light independently. To fix the weak signal from 200 million microscopic pixels, the chipset, which is Helio G200, and the camera use 16-in-1 binning to merge groups of 16 tiny pixels into a single super pixel. This turns the sensor that you're using to take these photos into just 12.5 megapixel. So when you take a photo, you're actually not looking at 200 megapixel of detail. What you're looking at is 12.5 megapixel photo that has been digitally over-sharpened to hide the noise, making the colors look like digital oil paintings. The second part of this myth is that higher megapixel can replace a zoom lens. This is marketed as iris zoom. Some phones within the same price range as the Redmi Note 15 Pro come with a telephoto lens of up to 50 megapixel. The Redmi Note 15 Pro does not come with a dedicated telephoto lens. It simply crops into the middle of the 200 megapixel frame to zoom. While this digital zoom just stretches the middle of the photo, a telephoto lens uses the glass to pull the background closer, amplify key details, and create a natural professional depth that software can't fake. Without a dedicated glass, a digital crop always looks flat and fake. If having a high number of megapixels was the gold standard, then Hollywood would be using cameras that have very high number of megapixels. However, Hollywood uses Arri Alexa 35, a camera that costs about 8 million Kenya shillings and only has 14.6 megapixels. Even the iPhone comes with either 12 or 48 megapixel of camera. Why? Because its pixels are massive, allowing it to capture live-like color and light that 200 megapixel smartphone sensor could only dream of. Now you know. It's Moran. Follow for more.